Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling game mode immediately. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, then Game Launcher. Once done, toggle Game Launcher on and add your games to the Game Launcher folder so they appear in one place. Make sure your phone and game tools are updated through the Galaxy Store. This ensures the latest performance options are available. You're skipping basic setup and moving straight to the practical first steps, so performance features will be ready to configure next. Once your game is listed, open Game Launcher and tap the game to access game tools and the settings gear. From there, pick a performance profile. Choose high performance for frame stability, balanced for battery versus performance, or power saving to extend play time. Make sure to enable Do Not Disturb and block notifications to avoid interruptions. Also limit background activity for non-essential apps, so CPU and GPU prioritize the game. After configuring, to finalize, tune advanced controls. Adjust adaptive refresh or lock 60/120 Hz in display settings for consistent visuals, and use Game Booster to monitor FPS, clear RAM before play, and set quick shortcuts. You should also configure touch sensitivity and edge protection if accidental touches are an issue. If something goes wrong, start by clearing the game cache, reinstalling the app, or resetting game launcher settings. If crashes persist, reboot the phone and retest. That troubleshooting step resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.